Alright, welcome on in to the AK only challenge sponsored by Rama. You know how it be, no weapon besides an AK. Let's see what we can have happen. Surely we get like a gold AK. Maybe we get Midas's or Meowscle's Pew Pew AK. Be kinda nice. Although is that a Ranger or an AK? I think it's an AK. Haha, first AK of the day, baby. Let's go. Second AK of the day, baby. Let's go. I'll take you. Thank you. Alright, no shotgun is going to be tough. Gonna need some kind of mobility. Oh my goodness. Tell me right now that we're not stacked. What is this? Nope. Scheduled maintenance. I don't need any of that hitting my inbox. Thank you very much. Alright, we're good on weaponry here. Got 3 AKs. It's not like I'm going to be running out of AK. I would love that combat. Yo, who's shooting me? Alright, this is going to go very well. This is going to go swimmingly. David swimmingly. I'd love one of these, thank you. Oh, this guy is cooked. AK! 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 Let's go. Can't be stopped. What's up? You're not landing on me, I don't believe it. GG's. Could probably push this. The good thing about the AK is it does a heck of a lot of damage. What's this guy doing? No way you're landing on me, right? I'm doing an AK only challenge. You just landed on me with everything and still died. Like, what? Color me embarrassed with a mix-up with the bins. Would you color me embarrassed about the mix-up with the bins? Mark? Is that you? Hello, Dave. Nice of you to stop by. The worst thing about these challenges is that if you die, it's so tough to find the weapons that you need. So I'm hoping to not die, as always. Some good damage there. Poor guy. Just doesn't even know what's hitting him. Ah, the angling was so off on that. GG's. I thought I could walk up that. That's sad. This guy is Mr. Dangerous right now. I don't care about the bots behind me. I care about this guy. Interesting. Very interesting. Yo, guy, turn around and look at this guy with me. It'll be okay, I promise. Yo, what up, B? Appreciate the kind words, my friend. The same to you. My well regards to you. That guy might be in the bush, but I doubt it. Realistically, he's below. Yeah. Bro, no shot. This is gonna be the death of me. I hope you guys know that. A bad super slide. Full box. Oh, tell me why I'm cooking these guys low key. Movement. We're triple grappled up. Oh, there's someone behind me. Yo, I just got sniped. God, man, these guys are the scum of the earth, I'll be honest. We got this. We seem to find ourselves an AK. I don't know why I pushed an AK. Bro. That's what I thought. I'm getting sniped by multiple people in a pub game. What is this? It's actually insane, man. Alright, well, I know for a fact that my AKs will be back in this bush. Nobody's picking up this junk. That's insane. This guy's still in this bush. I'm ending stream. Actually stacked right now. I am loving it. Only 2 people left, by the way. I cleared out that half of the map, so it seems. Alright, well, you know what time it is? It is third party o'clock. Fortunately, these guys are literally so far away. Alright, it might be over for me, guys. Wish me luck! I can't see. Oh. It might be GG's, guys. This guy just has all the movement and I have no shotgun. Really tough for me here. Like, this guy is literally trying so hard, it's kind of crazy. Oh, you're so bad! You're so bad! Get out of my game! AK only challenge completed! Literally so bad, man. Get out of my game. I'm guessing 3205. 3485, 1440 GGGGGGs. Oh my goodness.